Hi, in this video I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make a virtual disk and drive and play the original Secrets of Code game by Her Interactive on my Windows 8 computer. First thing you want to do is get to the ImageBurn website, and you do that by typing in imageburn.com and go to the download section. Then click the seventh one, provided by ImageBurn. When that's finished, you can just open that and install it. Let's see. Click yes. Okay. Now I already have this installed on this computer, so it might look a little different when you install yours. But for the most part, you're just going to do next, accept, next, 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 next. Do not want that installed. Do not accept that. And then it will install it. Okay. Once that is installed, go into your folders, go to the C drive, and Program Files 86, open the ImageBurn folder, and open imageburn.x. Once that opens and loads, click Create Image File from Disk, and it will automatically read the disk, the first disk of the Nancy Drew game. And then what you want to do is have that saved into your Documents section. And make sure it is a .bin, because otherwise the virtual disk drive may not be able to read it. Click Save, and then click that button. And it will copy and make a virtual disk of that first disk. Now this could take a while, so I'm going to pause and start it back up when it's done. Now that that's finished, just click OK. Now we can take that first disk out and put in the second disk. And for the second disk, we're just going to do the exact same thing. So while that does its copying, I will pause the video as soon as that gets up here. Okay. Now, just like before, make sure it is saved to your documents as a bin file. Save, and then have it convert again. Okay, I'll pause this again and start back up when it's finished. Okay, now that that's finished, you can close it out of that. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is download Virtual Clone Drive. That, I have a link here, and I'll put that in the description. Once you get that open, then you can click Download Now. And it should come up soon. Once that pops up, just keep it, open it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now that you have that downloaded, we'll start installing it. Decline that offer, decline the offer. Okay. Then click Install Now for Virtual Clone Drive. I agree. Have all of them checked, even though we really only need the bin files one checked. And then install. And it'll start installing. When it asks about installing a driver, I have already installed it on this computer before, so it didn't ask, but when it asks, make sure you click Install, because otherwise it's not going to show up in your files. So then we go to this PC, and there is your new Virtual Clone Drive. So what you do is you click it, right-click, go to Virtual Clone Drive, Mount, go into your Documents, go all the way down, and you'll have to make sure it's set to all files. Then go down and click the sdk1.bin, open, and then it'll open the files, and then double-click setup.x, click yes, and once that opens the setup, once you have that set up, just click next, yes, next, next, next. Make sure to have that clicked, and next again. One more time, and again. That should install. Now, before you mount that disk, make sure to take out all your disks out of your disk drive. It won't start the installation until all your disks are out of the actual disk drive. Once you do that, just mount the first disk, and then go on like I showed you. Make sure that is checked. Click finish. And then the game will start. And
Dear